What? You got perfume on my shoulder.
The my perfume smells good, Tyler.
Not the
And little blue people. The little blue people.
They're on crack.
They're on crack. They're the Teletubbies. Teletubbies are ha-ha.
I forgot to do this.
Teletubbies. Teletubbies. Just like Barney. Barney's good too. Barney found a crack to his tail. They found a crack in Barney's tail.
That's so weird. I can't do it anymore. I'm like, ooh, out.
They did. They really found crack in Barney's tail. That's why his shirt got canceled. And they didn't have no BJ or Bobby. I mean, Baby Bob. Baby Bob.
Baby Bob.
Baby Bob. Pop. You go with it.
I can't do it anymore. Okay, it's like 1:08 in the morning.
And we are tired. We took the rubber give you wings. I'm still waiting for our wings to come off, but we give us wings. Baby.
Ow, my eye. Ow, my eye is watering.
Look at how smelly it is. And it's very close. Look how smelly it is. Because we got the flash on.
Their phone numbers right.
Turn the phone.
Oh yeah, that's also.
Oh, do you know how people have Tourette's?
Fork. Did you see that Tourette's video on YouTube? It was like fork, spoon, Tiffany crumb. Tiffany crumb.
Tiffany crumb, like a little thing of bread on the floor, like a little crumb.
I didn't understand a word of that. We're like losing the voice. It's like.
You can pick my nose.
You loved your cousin. Well, he wasn't your cousin, but.
I kissed the girl and I liked it because of her cherry chapstick. And she had on cherry chapstick.
Ew, Tiff. Sneeze.
I got that on my arm.
Oh, looking at the light also makes you sneeze. You grab there, and then you just go like that, and it'll make them sneeze.
Oh, but the burger's on you.
I did it too much, so it doesn't really affect it anymore. But still, it's so funny.
I blew burgers on you.
Yeah, she really did.
She really did. Her name is Alana, and she lives in Bridgeport, Connecticut.
Ew. You're gross, Tiff.
But then I got back into boys. Yeah, it's the link. We got icebreakers.
That's the one I choked on in the last video.
Our next video is gonna be we got the Chinese munchies, the egg rolls. So you better turn back the okay? So about yeah, icebreaker now.
Hey, egg rolls.
Egg rolls.
What about egg rolls?
We're gonna have Soldier Boy has a video on on YouTube and
oh, we got the munchies.
And then here's with Doritos and Cheetos and packet chicken and everything. We're gonna have the Chinese munchies. We're gonna order Chinese and we're gonna have munchies for egg rolls.
Oh, got the munchies. Yeah. Do a closing sneeze. Do a closing sneeze. Do it. Eyes watering. Come on. That's it for our show.
Baby, I'm sorry if you watched this video. I know it's embarrassing.